got options, you already know. By God's grace, the blessings flow. Let him guide you in all you do. He'll never leave like fake ones do. We all got dreams, you know that's true. But dreams won't pay any bills for you. Seek Jesus while living life. Stay away from hate, jealousy, and strife. Cars, clothes, ice are things that bling, but don't sell your soul for anything. Yes, sir. It's real talk. Choose Christ. Choose life.
Hey, what's up, guys? I took delivery of the new Charger Hellcat Redeye this week, and I wanted to touch base on a few things that the vehicle has when you factory order it versus just picking it up from the lot. And of course, everybody's familiar with the pink bumper guard here, but when it comes straight from the factory, they also have the white tabs there. I told the dealer just to leave everything exactly how it was from the factory, and even not to wash it. But I washed it myself. You can see how shiny it is, but I didn't want to take any chance, any swirl marks, anything getting on it. I wanted everything to be fresh. Some of the other things that they do from the factory, I told them to leave all the plastic in. So you see here on the left door, that's just if somebody were to get in and out. If they were to tap the door with their foot, it'll stay protected. And then inside you got the plastic there in the floor. Now I did get them to install the accelerator and brake covers, because that's pretty cool, and I didn't want the hassle of having to do it myself. Another thing they do is that it comes with of course plastic on the seat. Got them to leave all of that. It comes with this little net on the headrest, and then also plastic on the U-Connect. There's also a sticker on the rearview mirror. Yeah, so another thing that they do from the factory, in the back seat they have a little sticker there, and that net over the center console to protect it. They have a sticker there in the middle hump in between the left and right seat, and then also hanging from the rearview mirror they had this particular item here. I want you to see they also got a list of different things that comes with the car. There's a trunk kit, of course, owner's manual. There's an air deflector assembly that goes behind each of the front wheels, and then also there's a license kit as well for it. And then they have to put the antenna at the top as well. Then there's little miscellaneous papers. I just saved those. That's the air deflector kit, and then there's a little SRT manual as well. Alright guys, something else that's pretty neat that you get from the factory is called a manifest report, and it has all the different items for your car. So I'm guessing as it comes down the assembly line, it just has a list of all the different options and things that should be included with the build. You may not see that if you don't order it from the factory. Alright guys, something else you might not know about factory orders. A lot of times they'll come with different markings on the tire. I guess they're checking tolerances or something like that. And then also they come with peel here stickers as well. She is a Redeye. Next we'll take a peek at the most important part, which is under the hood. It's got the green belt. And it's got the Redeye. As far as anything being underneath here, this is exactly how it came. It's got the real air extractors. You can see how it breathes through. And then of course it's got the air intake system, which the air blows out of the scoop through there and then feeds the monster from right there. Yeah. Okay everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video about some of the little details that come with the vehicle when you factory order it. I hadn't seen any videos like this with the little bits and pieces. I'm about a guy that's about the details, so just wanted to share with you all those things. If you would like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit me down in the comments and let me know if you had some questions or some thoughts about what I shared in the video. And even if you factory ordered something and you got even more access than what I did, I'd appreciate knowing it. Thanks for watching. Like I said, please consider subscribing to the channel. I intend to bring more content to it. Thank you. Have a blessed day.